Oh, I gotta go. Gotta make another video. Alright. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing some riding videos. So let's go. I've been getting a lot of inbox messages, a lot of requests. You guys want to see more videos of me on the bike? No problem. So today I got my cameraman with me, Don Juan, aka James Cameron, and we're gonna make some riding videos. So let's go. Come on, guys. Alright, so I got my helmet here, safety first. So anyways, I've been getting a lot of emails and inbox messages. You guys want to see me on the bike. You guys want to see me riding in the daytime. I'll try to do some nighttime ones too if I can, but today is going to be all about, doing some daytime riding for you guys. So give me likes, anything else you want to know, go ahead and send me messages and I'll try to give the people what they want. Alright, here's my top speed video. I'm going to have it all the way down. The fastest this bike is going to go without performance mods is about 47 miles an hour. And I'm going to show you guys right now. Let's go.